Tọ́ ẹ kú dédé wòye ẹ̀yin akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ṣàlàfíà lẹ́wà Olúwa máa ràn wá lọ́wọ́. May good God Almighty continue to keep us as we are staying safe. By the grace of God, this very day we are discussing another topic as far as your Yoruba language is concerned. Ohun tá a dẹ̀ fẹ́ kíyèsí lónìí náà ni a mọ̀ sí àròkọ. Kí ni mo pè yẹn o? Àròkọ. Àròkọ means essay writing. Take note of that. But let's look at the objectives. Àwọn èròǹgbà tí a fẹ́ kíyèsí. Àkọ́kọ́ ni pé ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ lè ṣàlàyé ohun tí àròkọ túmọ̀ sí. You should be able to explain what essay writing signifies or means as far as this is concerned. Then èkejì ni pé gbọ́dọ̀ lè sọ àwọn kókó inú àròkọ kíkọ. You should be able to tell us some of the concrete steps involved in writing a good essay. Then ìkẹta àwọn náà ni pé ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ lè dárúkọ oríṣi àròkọ tí ó wà. You should be able to list or enumerate the different types of essay writings we have as far as Yoruba language is concerned. Àròkọ, that is àròkọ essay writing, like I explained to you before. Ẹ rí pé àròkọ ni ohun tí a rò lọ́kàn ní orí kókó ọ̀rọ̀ kan tí a sì fẹ́ kọ sílẹ̀ tàbí tí a ti kọ sílẹ̀. We talk about essay writing. We are talking about an idea you have conceived in your mind with an attempt to put such idea down. That's the meaning of essay writing. Yẹn la mọ̀ sí àròkọ kíkọ. Aroko, Kiko, take note of that. Then, what are the kini koko inu aroko? We talk about the koko now. We talk what are those? What are the contents that we are expecting to see in any essay writing, be it in English language or Yoruba language? You know, educated. There are some content, there are some things that we need to know. We look at akole. That is heading. There's no way you will write an essay that will not have an heading. Then number 2, talking about your outline points that you might likely develop. Then you should be able to know the ifara. Ifara, that is introduction. What do I call it? Introduction. Ifara. Then the ipinyafo. That be ipinro. We call it ipinro. That is paragraphing. You should to break your points into different paragraphs. Each of the paragraphs gives and connotes a particular idea you have in mind. Then that is, we're talking about the major objective, the major points that are to be discussed in your essay. Then the last one, talking about conclusion. So those are the things that are involved in letter writing. Let's move on again. Then we are looking at different types of essay writing. For example, when we say essay writing, à ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa àwọn tó ní ṣe pẹ̀lú pé à ń fi gègé wa sórí ìwé, à ń kọ ọ́ lẹ̀ dáadáa. Àkọ́kọ́ ni pé we have àròkọ letter writing. Letter writing is an example of essay writing, where you write a letter to a friend of yours, ẹ̀kọ́ lẹ́tà sí àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ yín. Such a letter writing can be formal, informal, or semi-formal as the case may be, but we are not going to that now. A tún ní àròkọ alálàyé. That one is explanatory in nature. It is explanatory. Where you explain in detail some things that you might want to write about. Then that is when you give a report. For example, if you're a journalist, you give a report. Such a report indicates you are giving a report of what had happened some times ago. For example, if I asked to give a report of what had happened maybe a few months ago in the course of this COVID-19, it is a kind of you are reporting to me exactly what happened. That is a descriptive type of essay. It describes, it gives you a detailed piece of information about a particular thing. Where your idea is needed, you have to be a bit thoughtful on what you want to write about.